Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade ranch dressing. Yummy. That's a half a cup of sour cream, a half cup of mayo, a half cup of buttermilk. And we're going to whisk this together. About 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, about a tablespoon and a half of fresh green onion, or some people will use chives instead. It's about 2 teaspoons of fresh dill. I'm going to whisk these in. Half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder, or you could use fresh minced garlic if you want. Half a teaspoon of onion powder, about a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This just adds a little bit extra zing, or whisk these all in there. Do about a half a teaspoon or so of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna add just a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice, about a teaspoon. And there we go, look at that. Take care. All right, I've got a little fresh carrot here. There we go, so yummy.